Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices out there when upgrading your living space, you are exactly in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into making your dream home renovation a reality. We are going to strip away the stress, cut through all that confusing marketing noise, and focus entirely on the actual science and strategy behind premium materials. By the time we wrap up, you'll have a super clear, structured understanding of exactly what goes into building a modern, high-performance kitchen and home. Are you secretly ruining your new countertops? Yeah, it's a terrifying thought, right? You invest a significant amount of your hard-earned money into this beautiful new kitchen, but your everyday habits could literally be damaging it behind your back. Well, today, we're putting a stop to that. We're debunking common renovation myths to protect your investment, pulling insights directly from the expert design house AmpQuartz down in Johor to show you exactly how to care for these surfaces and choose the right materials from day one. So, here is our roadmap for today. We're going to systematically solve your renovation confusion step by step. We'll cover busting quartz countertop myths, the Dekton stone revolution, crafting your perfect cabinets, and finally, the full house co-creation. All right, let's jump right into part one, busting quartz countertop myths. Okay, so quartz is hugely popular in modern kitchens, but man, is there a lot of misinformation out there. It really leads a lot of homeowners to either avoid it entirely or care for it completely wrong. Let's start with a fundamental difference between quartz and natural stones like, say, granite or marble. The big myth? That quartz needs regular sealing. But the actual fact is that quartz is engineered to be 100% non-porous. It literally will not absorb liquids. No coffee stains, no wine spills, no oil seeping in. You never, ever have to worry about applying sealants to keep it looking great, which makes it incredibly low maintenance. Then there's the durability question. A lot of folks out there seem to believe quartz is fragile or easily chipped. The reality? It is incredibly tough. It's actually manufactured using some of the absolutely hardest minerals found in nature. This immense structural integrity makes it highly resistant to your everyday scratches and impacts, so it can easily handle the heavy wear and tear of a busy family kitchen without breaking a sweat. But, and this is a really important nuance, a downright dangerous myth is that quartz is completely heat-proof. While it is heat-resistant, you absolutely must know that extreme heat can discolor or even damage the resins that bind the stone together. So if you're pulling a roasting pan right out of a 400-degree oven, always use trivets or hot pads to protect that beautiful surface. So how do you actually maintain it? Keep it ridiculously simple. Because it's non-porous, a basic mix of mild dish soap and warm water is your best everyday cleaner. Just wipe it down with a soft microfiber cloth. You really want to strictly avoid harsh chemicals. Put away the Clorox wipes, the baking soda, and those magic erasers. Abrasive stuff like that will actually dull your shiny surface over time. If you really need a deep clean, just stick to specifically formulated quartz cleaners. Moving right along to section 2, the Dekton stone revolution. Now, if you want to push the boundaries of durability even further than quartz, you really need to know about this incredibly advanced material class known as sintered stone. We're specifically talking about a brand called Dekton. It uses something called sinterized particle technology. Think of it like this. It takes the raw materials used in glass, porcelain, and quartz and blasts them with extreme heat and pressure. It basically takes Mother Nature's slow, thousands of years rock-forming process and puts it on a high-tech fast-forward. The result is a surface that is almost entirely unbreakable. Because of this intense, scientific manufacturing process, Dekton boasts what I can only describe as literal superpowers in the home design world. It's UV resistant, meaning it won't ever fade in the sun, which is absolutely perfect for outdoor kitchens. It is completely heat and scratch resistant, and its high mechanical resistance is so mind-blowing that you can have up to a 12-inch unsupported island overhang without it snapping. I mean, that is an architect's absolute dream. Beyond sheer strength, it's also incredibly versatile. Dekton comes in all sorts of customizable thicknesses, ranging from a super slim 8mm all the way up to a really chunky 30mm. When you combine that with their massive large format slabs, it opens up entirely brand new avenues for interior design. We're talking seamless looks on countertops, sure, but also flooring and massive feature walls. Okay, let's shift gears to section 3, crafting your perfect cabinets. So we've got our cutting-edge countertops covered, but a beautiful stone top needs a really solid, intelligently designed base to support it, right? A lot of people just default to putting wood absolutely everywhere, but actually aluminum is your very best defense against humidity. In wet areas, think bathrooms or laundry rooms, aluminum's sleek, moisture-resistant profile is totally unmatched. Meanwhile, solid wooden cabinets offer that classic, highly customizable attractiveness that perfectly anchors your main kitchen. It's all about using the right material for the right room. And if you're looking for true elegance combined with modern aesthetics, the AmpQuartz Signature Collection really elevates interiors through some incredibly advanced surface technologies. We're talking highly functional innovations like anti-fingerprint coatings that keep your high-traffic areas looking pristine, and their Anglo Luxe series, which gives you this stunning ultra-matte sophistication. It's that perfect sweet spot where top-tier craftsmanship meets everyday scientific functionality. Which brings us to our final stop, Section 4, the Full House Co-Creation. So, we understand the materials now, right? The durable quartz, the revolutionary Dekton, the strategic cabinetry. But how do we actually pull this all together to effortlessly build your dream space? For this whole house co-creation approach, we look to AmpQuartz. They've been a deeply trusted name in Johor since 2015, bringing over a decade of community-focused expertise to local homeowners. And what's genuinely unique about them is their ESG-focused approach. That means they prioritize environmental, social, and governance factors, making sure to utilize sustainable materials that protect both your family's home and the environment. They essentially act as your ultimate cabinet creator. And that means their expertise does not stop at the kitchen door. They extend these seamless, highly durable designs and their direct factory pricing into literally every single room of your house. Just imagine having a custom wardrobe with built-in organizers, a super sleek TV console that hides every single messy cable, or a dedicated shoe cabinet, all of it perfectly and seamlessly matching the high-end aesthetic of your brand new kitchen. And look, we all know renovations can be a massive headache, especially financially. To make this completely stress-free, they offer up to a 24-month 0% interest installment plan. When you combine that with their free 3D design and measurements, it completely breaks down those financial and planning barriers. It makes a cohesive full house premium design totally accessible. I want to leave you with this really empowering thought, straight from their philosophy. Cabinets designed by you, built by us. So I have to ask, are you ready to step away from the limitations of boring, off-the-shelf products and co-create a space that perfectly, scientifically, and beautifully reflects your exact lifestyle? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and here is to building smarter, more resilient homes.